In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who has booked a time in Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to identify invitees, confirm their contact details, and review the information they shared when booking, all from your Calendly dashboard. Start by heading to calendly.com and signing in to your account. Use the email and password you normally use for Calendly, and once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. If you're using a browser on your computer, everything should look familiar. If you're on a smaller screen, the layout may be condensed, but the same options are still available. Next, locate the Meetings section on your dashboard. Depending on your view, it may appear as a tab labeled Meetings or as a menu item along the left-hand side. Click it to open your list of scheduled activity. This is where Calendly organizes all of your booked time slots in one place so you can quickly see what's coming up and who's scheduled with you. Inside Meetings, you'll notice tabs that categorize your events. Upcoming shows all future scheduled appointments, organized by date and time. This is your go-to area for seeing who's on your schedule next. Pending appears if you use any features that require manual confirmation. If you do, this tab will show meetings awaiting your approval. If you don't use confirmations, you may not see this tab at all. Past contains completed events. It's helpful when you want to look back at who met with you previously or review details from earlier bookings. If you see options to filter or search by event type or date, use them to narrow the list and find a specific meeting faster. When you find the meeting you're interested in, click it to open the details. Here, Calendly displays the invitee's name and contact information, the event type they selected, and the exact date and time they booked. You'll also see their responses to any questions you included on your booking form, such as notes, preferences, or custom fields you've set up. This page centralizes everything you need to confirm who booked, why they're meeting with you, and any context they shared in advance. Check the time zone indicator so you can confirm that the time you see matches your preferred time zone, especially if you or the invitee are in different regions. That's all there is to it. Log in, open Meetings, choose the appropriate tab, and click into a specific booking to view the full details. With these steps, you'll always know exactly who has booked a time in Calendly and have the information you need at a glance.